Hey guys, I'm Joyce from Onyx Food Hill. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a really yummy and easy Mexican recipe called Gordita. If you really love Mexican cuisines like me and will love these Gorditas, you are in the right place. But first of all, try and subscribe to the channel if you're new here and hit the bell icon so that you will be the first to know when new videos are uploaded. We are going to start by making the Gorditas and you will need your masa harina in place. So start by bringing 2 cups of masa harina into a large mixing bowl. Add a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything together to combine. And add in 1½ tablespoon of shortening and begin working that into the flour with your clean fingers. Once it is crumbly and evenly distributed, gradually add in about 2 tablespoons of warm water at a time and keep mixing. When the dough is moistened and you are able to form a small ball with it, stop adding the water and knead it for a couple of minutes until it fully comes together. Leave the dough in the bowl, cover with a plastic wrap, rest it for 30 minutes while you work on the rest of the ingredients. Now let's make the salsa while the dough is resting. In a small pot, add 5 medium-sized tomatoes, 3 jalapeno peppers, 1/2 of a small onion, and 3 garlic cloves. Add water to fully cover the veggies. Turn the heat down to low and bring to a simmer for 15 minutes. Once all your veggies are softened, turn off the heat, drain from the liquid and cool them a little bit before adding to your blender. And just before you blend them, add 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 cup of chopped cilantro. You can also add about 3 tablespoons of the cooking liquid and blend until you have a really smooth consistency. And now you have your salsa ready. It's time to make the filling. For this simple Gordita recipe, you can either use chicken or beef for your filling. I will be using ground beef and we need to cook that first. Go ahead and place a medium pan on the heat. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and then bring in 600 grams of your ground beef. Saute that for 3 minutes. When the beef is no longer pink, season with 1 small chopped onion, 1/2 teaspoon of chili pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of chicken or beef bouillon seasoning. You can stir that to combine nicely. Be sure to test for salt and add more seasonings if you want. Now add 1/2 cup of meat stock and stir that again. Cover and simmer for 10 minutes or until the beef has cooked through. Get back at it, add a 1/4 cup of the salsa you have made earlier on. You don't want this completely dried out, but it should have that saucy consistency. Cover again and cook for 2 minutes. Squeeze in 1 tablespoon of lime juice and stir. Now this is ready. Turn off the heat, cover and keep warm until when needed. Finally, let's make the Gorditas. The dough had enough time to relax and therefore it is easy to manage and shape it into the desired shape. So all you have to do is to take out a little portion of it, just a bit bigger than the size of a golf ball. Roll it out and press it out with your palms until it's about 4 inches wide. You can dip your hand in a bowl of water to make this easy and smooth. And when you're done, keep that aside. Repeat this with the remaining dough until you're done. It's time to fry this. Heat up about half cup of vegetable oil in a skillet. Once it is hot enough, gently lower the gorditas into it and cook. I am going in with 2 at a time because of the size of my skillet. You can add more than 2. Cook on one side for about 2 to 3 minutes. Flip over to the opposite side and cook for 2 more minutes. And when they are beautifully golden brown, transfer and drain on a paper towel lined dish. And continue cooking the rest until you are done with all. When cool enough to handle, split open the gordita with a sharp knife by slicing at one end halfway around the circumference. You don't want to open this up completely, just halfway to be able to stuff in your filling. Now do the same with the remaining gorditas. Place all the filling in one place for easy reach and begin stuffing the sliced gordita with them. So I'm gonna go in first with 1.5 tablespoons of the meat mixture. Then follow with sliced lettuce, tomatoes, shredded cheddar, and lastly with some crumbled cheese. Repeat this again with the remaining until you're done. You can also have a small bowl of salsa on the side when serving this. And so this is it. We are done with everything. Just look at how appetizing this turned out to be. They are really inviting as well, and you want to give this a try for yourself. So friends, this was a really yummy and cheesy gordita recipe for you to make at home. Do try this out and let me know down below how it turned out for you. And please remember to subscribe to Onyx Food Hill and be sure to hit the bell icon if you are new here. That way you will be notified when new videos are uploaded on this channel. And please, if you like this video, remember to give me a thumbs up. You can also share this video with your friends and loved ones. Thank you so much for watching this. I really appreciate it. Until next time, we will see you again. Bye.